Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete conversation on Messenger from both sides. Let's have an example right here. I sent a message to that person, right? And let's say that I had, a second thought that I want to, retrieve what I sent from that person, right? And I don't want him to see it or want her to see it. So first of all, just go back to your screen, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and from here just go ahead right here and double check if the Messenger app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead to do it immediately, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see right here the interface of the app after you update it and everything. Just go ahead and click on the person that you want to unsend that message, hold on your message, and you're gonna see right here a pop-up option. You will see the emoji reactions, and you will see the copy, reply, and unsend. And here in the unsend, just go ahead right here and click right here, and it says right here, this message will be removed for you. So if you sent that message like couple seconds ago or couple minutes ago, you'll be able to delete it from both sides. But if you sent it like me for a long time, like 2 weeks or 1 month or something like that, you won't be able to how can I say, delete that message, right? Because that person already saw that message probably by now, so you will only just remove it from your from your part, right? And this message will be unsent for you. Other chat members will still be able to see it. So if you want to do that, just go ahead and do that, but make sure that your message is like a couple minutes ago or something like that, not longer than week or 2 weeks or something like that, so you can be able to catch up and just take how can I say, take that message out before that person sees it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.